Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Anju Sharma Creativity. So today's tutorial we are going to make Christmas rusting ornaments with some unique decoration ideas for celebrating our Christmas. So without any further delay, let's get started. And if you're new to my channel, consider to subscribing and hit the ring button for the new videos I post almost every week. So let's get started and make this beautiful ornaments for coming Christmas. And if you any question related to this video, do let me know in the comment section below. So these were the 5 Christmas rustic ornament decorations I have made it for the coming Christmas. So I will be posting one more videos on Christmas decoration ornaments. Stay tuned and I will be posting that video next week and day after. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to subscribe to our channel. And if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. As till then, bye bye.